Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As a presenter in this journal, I am Marina, student identity number C0223051, Accounting Study Program, Faculty of Economy, University of West Sulawesi. This journal is about recent related to the influence of media social on adolescents' mental health, and here is an explanation of the content of the journal. Introduction: the development of technology today has changed the way humans interact or communicate with others. Today, human has conduction, social interaction, touch, media social. Media social is a set of internet-based applications that allow the creation and change of content by us. The use of media social can change a person's way of thinking or mentality. This affects teenager life. Teenager is using media social in the form of the internet are a necessity the need to be held in the learning process. But on the other hand, media social can change of personality of adolescents in the form of mentality when using media social extensively. Adolescence is a phase of real self-discovery, so media social can easily affect adolescents from a mental perspective. Mental health is a health condition related to the psyche, psychology, and emotion. Problem statement 1. The relationship between media social and adolescents' mental health. Social media is using the teenager in sharing our this activity. However, teenager is using media social will affect their mentality. This is because mentality in adolescence that's to be formed from what they see and experience. This will affect them is growing up. 2. The influence of media social on adolescents' mental health. Adolescents who use media social more than 3 hours a day are at high risk of mental health problems, especially internalization problem, aka self-image. Research method. These research use the liberal research method, namely using literature, collecting some literature related to the issues discussed, search from references on the internet, and research reports from preview research. The result of collecting their research reports are then analyzed to obtain answers related to the problem discussed. This research discussed the influence of media social on mental health in adolescents. This tends to lean to a negative direction so that it will interfere with mental health in adolescents. Result research. Social media as process reach to adolescents psychosocial deviation such as self-esteem, ideal body image, and adolescent identity. In addition, social media is also associated with issues regarding cyberbullying, leisure access to pornography, and sexting behavior or exchanging sexual messages. Social media use has a negative impact on adolescents' mental health. Too much time spent on social media can lead to the following mental disorder. Anxiety is intense, extensive, and persistent worry and fear in relation to everyday situations. It is felt due to the perceived terror of social media. Depression is a mental health condition characterized by ongoing feeling of sadness and loss of interest in activities previously enjoyed. One of the triggers of depression is the habit of comparing one's own life with others. Social comparison is an individual who evaluated his ability. The individual will compare himself with others who have similar abilities. Low self-esteem due to social comparison, meaning that a teenager in using media social often compares himself with other people on media social. This makes them even more insecure if what they get as they see on media social they cannot fulfill for certain reasons. So that it makes them less confident and lowers the enthusiasm that is in them. Conclusion and suggestions. Conclusions. Technology is a man-made item that is used to help him fulfill his life needs. Humans are inseparables from technology because technology can help humans is carrying out their daily activity. Humans are social charter that are always in contact with other humans. Rahman's research scientifically explained that humans have an innate behavior to live social interaction is needed be human expensive in today's world. The development of technology today has changed the way humans interact or communicate with others. Currently, humans have conducted social interaction through social media. The use of media social can change a person's way of thinking or mentality. The internet penetration rate in the 13 to 18 age group reached 99.16%. Media social can change the personality of adolescents in the form of mentality when using media social extensively. The use of media social has a range of adolescents' physical social deviations such as self-esteem, ideal body image, and adolescent identity. In addition to much time spent on media social can lead to mental disorders such as anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem due to social comparison. Solutions. Social media has the power to change lives, so using it responsibly is the only way to avoid being trapped in destructive action. The importance of teaching teenagers to be wise with social media. Teenagers must wisely determine what actions are good to do is using social media. Social media does not always have a negative impact on teenagers. The negative impact will be teenager depend on how teenager as to manage its social media. Teenagers should know how to use social media responsibly. This includes 1. Limiting the number of platforms used. They need to understand that there is a correlation between managing multiple social media platforms and higher level of stress and anxiety. Limiting the number of platforms used can reduce the total time spent on social media. 2. Limiting time in using social media. Teenagers need to limit their time in using social media so that the effect of addiction can be avoided in teenagers. 3. Turn off notification on mobile phones. It is recommended that teens need to turn off their notification as this will reduce the urge to check social media. Turning off push notification can reduce the number of confirmation gets from a reaction, which can hopefully break the habit of intense or content gadget check. 4. Pay attention to online interaction. In using social media, teenagers must be able to distinguish the positive and negative impacts of social media. Filtering what is obtained from social media, such as not following, silencing, or blocking people or accounts that cause themselves to go in a negative direction so that the negative impacts can be avoided. 5. Increase offline interaction in a positive direction. Teenagers must balance the interaction they have on social media or cyberspace with the real world, be looking first at the impulse they will receive. 6. The importance of parental role. Parents have an important role in controlling the use of social media for their teenager. Parents must give time limit to their children to monitor what their children are doing on social media. And parents must be able to communicate with their teenager regarding things that are acceptable or not on social media, so that children can be responsible for their treatment on social media. There is my explanation regarding the content of the journal that I discussed. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.